Bro, I've heard a lot of BS about this Shilajit stuff. What actually is it? You know how honey is just bee vomit?
Yeah.
Well, Shilajit is just mountain vomit. So what it really is it's a tar-like substance that's actually from vegetation fossils that have been compressed under layers and layers of rocks for hundreds of years. And the high temperature and pressure conditions in those rocks creates the Shilajit. And then when it gets warmer, the Shilajit flows out between the layers of the rocks. But this isn't a new phenomenon. It's been in folk medicine for over 3,000 years as a rejuvenator and adaptogen. But what about them studies though? Shilajit was found to have potent anti-inflammatory activity in all 3 models of acute, subacute, and chronic inflammation. And in one human study with 200 milligrams of Shilajit for 90 days in infertile men, it was associated with an increase in testosterone by 23.5%, which is massive, bro. And it's mainly composed of humic substances, and one of the main